Welcome to Villa Rosa, a gated community in a fantastic Sarasota location. This maintenance-free villa has over 1,600 square feet, with 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, plus a den. Set on a private lot with tropical foliage behind. The nicely designed kitchen offers Corian countertops and a gas range. The master suite has dual sinks. Enjoy peaceful evenings on your screen lanai. Partake in fun events, like a ladies' luncheon or Friday get-togethers. Soak up the sun at the community pool, meet friends at the clubhouse, and get your exercise at the fitness room. This sought-after community has 177 homes, gated entry, and is well maintained. Walk to Urfer Park and just 6 miles from downtown Sarasota. Call today for a private showing.